I greeting to one and all present over here. Today I am going to read a very informative chapters of class 4. The name of the chapter is Be Smart, Be Safe, Road Safety Tips for Little Feet. Let us read and enjoy. Dear children, Namaste.
Namaste.
How are you all?
How are you all?
I am sure you are happy and safe and enjoying school. Some of you reach school on foot, some by bicycle, and others by bus. You may have noticed that there is often a lot of traffic on roads. Roads can be busy and at times dangerous. We, the traffic police, are here to keep you safe on the road. So we want to share some important safety tips to help you stay safe while walking on or crossing the streets. By following these simple rules, you can keep yourself safe and help us keep the road accident free. Let's work together to make our road safer for everyone. Stay safe and be careful. With best wishes. The traffic police, Bharat. Rule 1. Always use the zebra crossing. When you need to cross the road, look for a black and white strip, which is known as zebra crossing. Look right, then left, again right, to ensure that no vehicles are coming. Cross only when it's safe. Rule 2. Follow the traffic lights. Traffic lights are installed on very busy roads to regulate movement. Wait for the pedestrian signal to turn green before crossing. Never run across the road. It's safer to walk calmly. Rule 3. Walk on a footpath. Footpaths are meant for pedestrians. Always walk on them and stay away from moving vehicles. Rule 4. Hold an adult's hand. If you are walking near the road, always hold an adult's hand, especially while crossing the road. Rule 5. Use reflective stickers in the dark. If you are walking on a road in the evening, stick some reflective stickers on your clothes so that the drivers can see you clearly. Rule 6. Be alert. Do not play or get distracted near roads. Also, avoid using headphones or mobile phones while walking near traffic. This can distract you from the traffic sound. New words. Pedestrian. Footpath. Reflective. Distract. Let us think. A. Answer the following. 1. What should you do before crossing a road? 2. Why should you not play on the footpath? 3. Why should you hold an adult's hand while crossing the road? Let us learn. A. True or false? 1. You should always walk on the footpath. 2. It is safe to run while crossing the road. You should use the zebra crossing to cross the road. 4. Wearing dark clothes in the evening makes you more visible. 5. It is safe to play near the road. 6. You should wear headphones while walking on the road. C. Encircle the correct option. 1. What should you do before crossing a road? A. Run quickly. B. Stop. Look right. Then left. Again right. C. Close your eyes. 2. Where should you walk near the road? A. On the footpath. B. On the road. C. In the middle of the vehicles. 3. Why should you avoid using headphones on the road? A. It's look bad. B. It makes you run faster. C. It can distract you from traffic sounds. D. Identify the following symbols and write their meanings. Hell box. School ahead. No littering. Gents restroom. Handicapped. Drive slow. U-turn. No honking. Ladies restroom. Right turn. No left turn. Danger ahead. Let us do. A. Classify the following activities as safe and unsafe. Looking right and left before crossing. Playing on the road. Crossing at a zebra crossing. Walking on the footpath. Listening to loud music on the road. B. Sports. What's wrong with the picture? Look at the following pictures below and spot 6 errors. Let us write. A naming words. A noun is a word that means a person, place, thing, or an idea. However, some nouns can be counted and some cannot. The nouns that can be counted are known as countable nouns. Example: apples, buses, chairs, etc. Nouns that cannot be counted individually are known as uncountable nouns. They usually do not have a plural forms. Example: water, rice, air, etc. Note to the teacher. Ensure that children understand that rice, sugar, salt, water, oil, milk, etc. are uncountable nouns. Whereas drops of oil, drops of water, bottles of milk, balls of rice, sugar, salt are countable. A. Classify the following as C, countable, and U, uncountable. Bananas, biscuits, curd, tomatoes, sandwich, mashed potatoes, coffee jars, lemonade, flour, chocolates, tomato ketchup, potatoes, coffee, tables. B. Now classify the following into countable and uncountable nouns. Traffic, pollution, helmet, buses, cars, speed, pedestrian, bicycle, safety, transportation, fuel. Countable nouns, uncountable nouns. C. Read the recipe below. Underline the countable nouns and circle the uncountable nouns. Recipe: yummy banana milkshake. Step 1: peel 2 bananas and put them in a blender. Step 2: pour 1 glass of milk into the blender. Step 3: add sugar and a little honey for sweetness. Step 4: blend everything until smooth. Step 5: add some ice cubes. Enjoy your banana milkshake. D. Write a letter to the Traffic Police of Bharat to thank them and promise to follow all the traffic rules and stay safe. Dear Traffic Police Officer, thank you for keeping us safe on the roads. You work so hard to make sure everyone follows the rules and no one gets hurt. I see how you stand in the sun, rain and cold to help us. I have read your letter carefully and understood that. Jai Hind. Name. Great.